Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hide someone from your Snap story on Snapchat. Really easy and simple to do to make like a custom list of who can see your story and who can't. It's pretty easy to do. All you have to do is go over to your Snapchat application and open that application up. Then you want to click on your profile photo in the top left corner. Once you're here, you'll see all your stories. All you want to do is click on the three lines on one of them. Doesn't matter which one it is. And you want to click on that, and it might just pop up saying that's going to change all of your stories and permanently. So you have to go in and edit this if you want to change it afterwards. But all you have to do this is you want to go into story settings and then click on custom. And then here you'll be able to decide who you want to block from your story. So you can go ahead and click on some people. And then if you just back out of here, it'll be saved. And then now your story is now customized, so those people that you clicked on will not be able to view your story. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.